Well, greetings and welcome back. Today we're going to be working on Kung Fu techniques. Let's go ahead and get started.
Okay. Let's do some basic footwork. And then we'll come back around and we'll do two basic kicks. And then we'll finish out from there. Okay? So for footwork, we're going to pivot the right foot, trying to step in and step out. Right? So you have heel-toe alignment, elbow pointing down, here, right? Shift your weight back so you're on an 80-20 stance. To move forward, you're going to pivot, step in, close everything off, step out, this comes up here. Okay? Get back, reverse. Get back, reverse. Back, reverse. Okay, let's go forward. Pivot, triangle step. Pivot, triangle step. Pivot, triangle step. Pivot, triangle step. Then we reverse. 1, 2, 3. Always back foot. So you go forward. You lift that front foot up. You need to kick. So you want to keep the weight back here, right? 4, 5. So that's the way you can check. And when you move back, then shift the weight back. Okay? So that's the basic footwork. So I want you to practice that. So next time we come back together, it's much easier. Next we have what's called the side step. So this is your line of attack. And you're in a fighting stance. 80-20, arms up, that comes in. You need to be able to offset, triangle step, and come back in. Triangle step, and step back. Side step, triangle step. Right? Step again. Back. And step back. Okay, good. Try again. Side step, triangle step, step in. This is called what we call an arrow step. Triangle step. Stagger step back. Arrow step. Triangle step. Arrow step. Triangle step. Stagger step. Arrow step, triangle step, arrow step, triangle step, stagger step, side step, arrow step, arrow step. Whereas you inside.
Excellent work. If you're ready to move on, check out this video over here, and I'll see you there. Stay inspired and inspirational.